This is a harmonica lesson for beginners. First things first, make sure you have the right kind of harmonica. You want a 10-hole diatonic harmonica in the key of C. Mine says C right here. And this is a Soundsmith black metallic harmonica. So there are 10 holes and you'll see that they're labeled above 1 through 10. The number should be at the top. And to hold the harmonica, what you're going to do is you're going to take your left hand, you're going to make it look like a squished letter C, and you're going to slide it in between like this, between your pointer finger and your thumb, with the holes facing you, and the number 1 on the left side and the number 10 on the right side. Now go ahead and blow into your harmonica. The lower notes are going to be the lower numbers, like 1. And the higher notes are the higher numbers, like 10. Now, a lot of people don't know this, but you can actually draw air in. And when you see songs written out for the harmonica, they're called harmonica tabs. You'll see numbers, and a number that's by itself, for example, number 1 means blow into 1. And if you see a -1, that means draw in on 1. So your first exercise will just be to blow out and then draw in like this. And try to breathe deeply from your belly and diaphragm. One other challenge that you can do is to try to blow air into only one hole. You do this by making a little tiny circle like you're blowing through a straw, and then bringing the harmonica up to your mouth. And then you can just slide it around to play the different holes. You might have to wet your lips a little bit. Have fun.